Hey guys from the Thoughtful Gardener. Well, we are in the process of changing over porch pots. It's always kind of a sad time of year because the annuals that you see here are dying off. Some of the perennials we will actually plant in the garden, so I'm not so concerned about those. But my garden center that I love here locally is having a 50% off sale today. They're putting in a new greenhouse, so they're trying to make room. So I was able to get some of these beautiful grasses that you see here, this really beautiful fall stone crab, as well as these annual decorative cabbages. And we're going to make a new pot, and I've already divided this grass in half. So this is a great thing to do this time of year, is to get a great deal at the garden center and also change out your pots. So my pots obviously are beautiful, and these pots are glazed. They stay under this awning and they're not affected by the weather, but we do like to change them out seasonally, which is what we're getting ready to do here. So I wanted to show you the process of how I do this so that you too can do this, and you can take good advantage of the sales that are going on this time of year. So the first thing you want to do is look for good quality plants. Now these guys are excellent quality, and it did take me some time to cut this in half. A hoary knife is extremely helpful, or a sharp shovel can do the trick too. Obviously round root ball, so it wasn't as easy to do by myself. It'd be nice to have a helper here. But if you're going to cut apart a perennial, you definitely want to take a look at the plant itself, and you can kind of see that there's a nice line of demarcation there. So I'm going to cut this one in half with my hoary knife, and I'll show you what that looks like after the fact. All right, so we got this one apart, and we're going to put it right there. So here we go. We've got the thriller, which is our grass, our filler, which are these two pretty cabbages, and our spiller, which is this autumn stone crab that's going to spill over the side and look really pretty.